Restoring heart function is possible at St. Francis.
The left ventricle is a highly complex structure. It's the major pumping chamber of the heart, and the coordinated activity of the left ventricle is supervised by the electrical system, which is, you can think of the electrical system in the ventricle as being a tree trunk with thousands of branches that carry electricity to different muscle fibers and cause the coordinated contraction of the left ventricle, so that you have this sort of pumping function like a bellows, but also a twisting motion. It's highly, highly efficient. It's miraculous. Many patients with heart failure have disturbances in the electrical system that cause the heart to beat in a dysynchronous fashion. Over the years, we have developed pacing technologies that can restore or dramatically improve patients' cardiac function and give them back a normal lifestyle. It's a super rewarding technology.